Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at floods hitting Puducherry, India on November the 18th, 2021. Heavy rain caused by low pressure over the Bay of Bengal caused flash floods throughout the district. Sewers were blocked, causing sewage to fill the streets. Residents were warned not to go into the floodwater due to the risk of spreading disease. Many houses became flooded and schools were closed due to the impact of the flood. Streets were filled with water, blocking traffic. Authorities are waiting for the floods to subside before assessing the impact, however warnings remain in place. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.